So what are you making today, babe?
We are making slow cooker pea soup with bacon. And I like cabbage.
It's a 16-inch fan. You don't mount it up. We're in a temperature switch. How do you keep wiping the Jeep?
Guys, you're just sweating on everything. The whole floor over here, I can't step back and
Hey, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
May need more later, but we're gonna start out with 6 cups. This has definitely been in the fridge. And one more. Cumin. I wish they would make these bigger so you can stick a teaspoon in it.
A little spice.
I don't know. I'll stick another one in. It's gonna have bacon in it too. You do not stick that in until later, because we gotta crisp that up in the oven. Have little bacon bits in our pea soup. All right, then I'm gonna stir. Stir those peas because they try to stick as soon as you put water on them. that will cook. About 6 hours on high. And then we're going to show you how to put bacon in it.
Bacon time. Is this real bacon?
No, this is turkey bacon. You can use whatever bacon you want. You can use pork, turkey. We just like turkey. But this is about to be done. It's getting creamy. This is how we like it. Well, you can't really see anything right now because I got it covered. But it's about to be creamy, so I'm going to get these roasting in the oven. That's a great knife. Let's see. We want about half of these. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. We'll eyeball it.
Wow, you did pretty good.
Yeah, 6. Still have 4 left.
Why don't you want them overlapping?
Well, you want them to get crispy. Crispy means when you put it in your pea soup, it's got that crispy bacon in it. Oh, so yummy. We're gonna check the peas.
Pretty bacon.
It's getting thick, but we want that to be more creamier. A little bit more cooking time. It's got like a Tex-Mex smell. And then it's got the creaminess in it, and then it's gonna have bacon in it. Oh.
And the oven's ready for the bacon.
Yeah, and it gets thicker and thicker and thicker. I mean, pea soup, if you leave it in a bowl for like 15 minutes, you're gonna have more of a dip. Okay, we're putting this in. Not done yet. Nope. Let's try this now. Getting creamy.
Not hot?
Look how crunchy those are. I'm gonna take 4. Okay, we're gonna put this in there. We're gonna leave some for garnish. Just 2 bacons where you can have little crispies on the side.
Don't have that bacon flavor.
Oh yeah. Bacon and Tex-Mex flavor. Yummo. Alright, let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's a lot of steam.
That looks good.
Oh, look how thick that's gotten.
Look at that bacon. That looks like bacon bits.
It is bacon bits. What are you talking about? Look at that. Bacon bits. It's already solid. Dinner.
Y'all stay tuned.
Stella was over here. Ooh. Stella will like that. Don't put that in there. Alright, that's all I'm gonna do because I don't want the dog to get the rest of it. She will too. Okay.
Yeah, but yeah, I did the drawer thing.
I know.
It's closed now.
Are you videoing?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This side was a little too short and this side was too long, so it looks like this now. I'm sorry, I was having a little trouble.